What are signs that my HVAC capacitor needs to be replaced? Many homeowners do not realize a failing capacitor can cause warm air, startup issues, or a fan that will not spin at all. A bad HVAC capacitor typically shows signs like a swollen or mushroom top, a humming outdoor unit with a fan that will not start, or an AC that only blows warm air. Other indicators include the AC failing to turn on, clicking sounds, or unexpected shutdowns. You may also notice leaking fluid, a burning smell, or a fan that only starts after being manually pushed. A multimeter set to MFD can confirm the failure. In Mokena, catching these issues early can help prevent bigger HVAC repair problems during hot weather when your AC system is working hardest. If you are noticing any of these warning signs, Allegiance Heating and Cooling can help with professional HVAC repair and AC repair services to keep your system running reliably.